Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So this one is going to be a build. I'm going to try and build a shrimp tank for my desk with just bits I've got lying around. So let's get into this. And hopefully if you're seeing this, it means I've done it. Let's do it. I'll show you the stuff now. See you in a bit. So this is everything I'm going to use, or I've got to use at my disposal to build this shrimp tank. So I've got some wood here, a couple of options. Not even sure I'm going to use any wood. That's the stone I've got. It's apparently called calming stone. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it looks funky. Some fluval plant biostrum that I'm going to use as my substrate. Got some plants here from other builds. That's the anubias. Got some polysperma, I'm not sure if that's even going to grow again. Some booths and some crypts and hydrophilia again. And then I've got my heater, my light and my filter there. And this tank is what was given to me from a friend, donated kindly. So I'm going to turn it into a shrimp tank on my desk in rapid time. So what time are we on now? It's 8:30 at night, so let's see if we can get this done in at least 2 hours. If not, it'll be a few days, but I'll let you know as we go ahead. Alright, I'm going to set it up on the tripod now, get a background on it first. I might do you on time lapse, I don't know, we'll see. Just going to get this background on. So there we go, got the background on. It's a static background, never used one before, so hopefully that goes well. I trimmed the bottom just to make it fit or sit a bit nicely on the top. And this will be covered by the substrate anyway, well, hopefully, we'll see. Plants will cover it anyway if it doesn't. So yeah, the next thing now is to get the substrate in. So let's have a go at this then. Just reading if it needs to be rinsed, and it does. Back in a sec. So I'll rinse the first lot, I'll pour this one in. And now I'll do that many times over, so I'll put you on time lapse. So this is the last one to put in. Go, and I'm just going to arrange that and see if we've got enough. I'm going to try and have as little as possible at the front. Just enough to cover it. So what I'm thinking is put the rocks in now. I quite like the jaggedness on that one. So I think that's going to be my centerpiece, but not quite center. Something like that. So that's what I've gone for. I think that'll do, to be honest. So I've got the main bits there. Got some planting room there. Got a bit of an outcrop. Add some detail. And then let's get the plants in. Don't know how we're going to get in there. Not much to glue to and stuff. So I'll bring you back when I've figured out what I'm doing with the plants. I completely forgot, I've got wood to go in. I've just been messing around off camera. And I think that'll do it. It's 2 pieces of wood, so I'll get them glued together. Get them stuck down in some rock, because I'm pretty sure they're going to float. And then we'll get the plants in. So as you just seen, I used an Insta set to spray it. 8 to 10 seconds later, and it's pretty much set. Don't think that's going to go anywhere. Alright, so I'm just putting this bit of tissue paper in the joint here. Just to join the 2 pieces of wood together. And then I'll put some glue on it. And the Insta set again. And don't worry about where, if you can see the tissue paper and the when it's glued together, because we'll put a plant on that to hide it. Make sure not to breathe in any of them fumes. This is a hydrophilia that I've had left over for a while. I'm just going to make use of it. I'm going to put it all together because I don't know how well it's going to grow. I'm just going to stick it all in the back. just put it all in one clump as well. And I use some of this that I've got from my other tank. I'll get the best bits out, stick that in as well just to fill it out a bit. So I just picked out the best few bits and I'll stick them in as well. So I just realised you couldn't see where I was putting them because that big bit of wood, but they're all down there and they should grow up all up the back here, stem plants. So you should see them all come grow up here. Hopefully, that's the plan anyway. So these are Cryptocornea Becketi, I think they're called. I'm dyslexic, so reading the Latin names not great. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. I'll put all the link in the description or on screen you'll see the actual spelling of it. And I'm thinking of putting one underneath there if I can manage it. It's going to be tricky. Might actually be better with my hand. I'm going to have to just move that out of the way for now. I'm just trying to think where to put this one. I could put it all the way over this way. Or do I put it out in front? Yeah, I'm going to put it here, I think. Yeah, that'll do. Not quite in line, they look like they're in line, but it's a bit offset, so that's fine. Right, I'll look at the plants now and see what else we can put in here. So this is some Anubias that I've got left over. It's petite, I think this is the petite, and then this is the Nano, or the other way around, I'm not too sure. Two bigger ones and the smaller ones. I've got a few more over here. And because they're epiphytic plants, epiphyte plants, these attached to a hardscape, or if you can find a space where they'll wedge in, these roots will help to keep it in place. So first I'm going to look for somewhere I can wedge it in before I start gluing again. And that looks like a perfect gap there. And over time these will start coming up a bit more. Looks a bit odd like that. But over time, like I said, they'll grow back up straight. I might need some glue if I put it there. I can put it anywhere else. So it looks good there, but that needs glue on it because it's not wedged in. So let's get some glue on. Got another little Anubis, I think it's Nano or Petite, it's one of the two. I'm going to try and get it. There's a little hole just below this one I've put in. There we go, covers that glue point. I'm going to put, I've got this little sprig of boost. Don't know if you can even see that on the camera. And I'm thinking of just putting that up here. See how big that gets. Very good little experiment. Like that. At the top of the tree. And I think I'm done. It's now 9:30. I think I started this at 8:30. That's an hour. That's pretty good. Now I've got to try and get some water in it without disturbing everything. So next time you'll see it, I think we'll have water in it. Catch you in a bit. But for you, it'll be a couple of seconds. And here's the tank, all filled up with water. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.